If you find the FS error, this is indicating that there could be an issue with your freeze sensor. Now, the freeze sensor is inside the freezer compartment and it is sitting on the panel that connects to the back wall. Its primary job is to monitor and maintain the temperature of the fridge by detecting if it goes too low. This is directly communicating with the board, so there's really only two things that can go wrong. Either for some reason the continuity of the sensor has failed, and we need to validate its health by checking in continuity. We'll do so right from the control board, and you're looking for a set of 2 gray wires as listed on your wiring diagram. If you do have continuity with your sensor, it's possible that a problem might be with the control board interpreting what the sensor is trying to tell it, or maybe it's not recognizing it at all. This could be a reason to replace the control board, but like with any of the errors, check with us for part availability before replacing either the board or the refrigerator itself.